We will generate viral music videos in this video, so I generated both music sound and the video of this. You can create any type of music, any type of video. It's completely open-ended. Let me show you what it looks like. It's only 30 seconds long.
Old box of secrets found today. Touch the past, can't turn away. Dusty dreams, they're calling me. Whispered tales of ancestry.
Join my school to learn more about AI. We will use Suno or Udio for music. We will use Leonardo AI for free images, or you can use Midjourney or any other image generator. And we will use Runway for free videos. You're gonna get a few minutes of free video generation. First, let's generate some prompts, and we can use Claude AI or ChatGPT for this. So I said, I am creating music videos with Udio.com. Please write multiple prompts for my songs. Make sure they include style, emotion, story, motive, and everything else that makes a great song. And I will just send this. I like the first one the most. A lovelorn android wanders through a rain-soaked, neon-lit city searching for its lost human companion. So I will copy the first one and let me go to udio.com, and I'm gonna paste this into the prompt and click create. I also want to go into suno.com and click create here, but I forgot to paste it here. So first paste. I think this cut off the prompt, but it's okay. Let's just click create again. We can also try some more as well. I really like this one already from Suno.
Ancestral echoes, hear them sing. Voices carry on the wing.
So let me download this. I'm gonna download audio only. We can also create ideas here. So let's click here, mood. Let's say, what's your current feeling? Longing. I want to make some like longing song. How you want to feel happy. And genre, let's say pop. Create.
Culture, believe me, we feed dreams, spraying color, looking pretty. From a concrete jungle where the beats don't stop. Dance battles raging while the gritty grab stops. Every tag, every style, man, they can't contain. Breaking rules, coloring outside of the frame. We transform the blocks, take it higher, no doubt. Bringing life to the streets, yeah.
So I got a few here from Udio as well. So let me just copy the first line of the lyrics, and then I'm gonna use Leonardo AI. You can use whatever generator you want. So let me paste it here. I'm gonna choose cinematic concept and generate. I like all of these. I think I'm gonna select this one. So let me download this image. I'm doing first image generation and then to video, because usually models are better if you generate image first and then to video instead of text to video. So let me just drag this into Runway ML. And let me just like paste the same thing, same prompt, and then I think I'm gonna select 10 seconds because that's how long these like parts last, and then generate. So you're gonna get around a few minutes of free generations. Let's take a look together. Actually kinda does look actually good. I like this one. So let me do the same for the other ones. I'm gonna go here and paste this one, generate. I'm gonna go here, generate the same one, or the other one I mean. So I'm just gonna now select the best images. I like this one, so let me download this one. Then I'm gonna download. Let me download this video first, and let's just start uploading. So this one is Touch the Past. So I will go back to here, Suno and copy this and paste it here. Generate. I think we can just remove this image and then go with the next one. We don't need to wait. So this is Tales of Ancestry. And let us preview this one. Oh, that's actually crazy. That's crazy good. I didn't know it is good. Let me see this one. These are all so good. And this walking away animation is so good. I didn't know it could do it this well. This animation is the best one until now. To combine all of this into video, you can use multiple tools, but I will use canva.com and go here, just type video, or I'm gonna click here, and then empty video. Let me just drag and drop this one onto Canva. It's gonna start being uploaded. Let me go here and extend the duration to I think around 10 seconds. Then I'm gonna upload my audio file, so I can just drag it here. I think we're gonna have to wait for a few moments. You have indicator here. So now I will drag this file that was uploaded down to this line. And if you wanna extend all of this, you can extend it this way, but you cannot extend it this way. For that you need to extend this stop clip. But these stop clips are just 10 seconds and then they repeat. So let me add these other ones. So I will just drag and drop all of them. Like that. And I don't want the song to start from the beginning, so I think I can just move it like this, and then let me find the best. If you just drag this clip onto this plus, it will automatically see at the length of the video, and it will make it such length. So let me delete this one by pressing delete, and then I can place it here, and then I can, I think, move it in front like that. Let me now adjust this song, so it should start like this. Let me go to the beginning with it. So this is what I got in the end.
Old box of secrets found today. Touch the past, can't turn away. Dusty dreams, they're calling me. Whisper tales of ancestry.
You can spend a lot more time editing, but this was just a quick video. So let me go here to share and download, and I'm just gonna download as MP4.